A very poor man lived with his wife. One day his wife, who had very long hair, asked him to buy her a comb. The man felt very sorry and said, "No." He explained that he did not even have enough money to fix the strap of his watch he had just broken. Wife did not insist on her request. The man went to work and passed by a watch shop, sold his damaged watch, and bought a comb for his wife. When he came back to home, he was surprised when he saw his wife with a very short haircut. She had sold her hair and was holding a new watch. Tears flowed from their eyes, not for the futility of their actions, but for the reciprocity of their love. Morale: to love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to love and to be loved by the one you love is everything. So always value the companionship of those you hold dear and consistently devote yourself to their care and happiness. If you're not following the Biz Thoughts project, you're probably never going to see us again. But if you are, congrats, you're on a journey of continuous growth.